In this video, we'll go through the notation that are used in the puzzle cube algorithms. Hey cubers, thanks for watching our video. To read the puzzle cube algorithms, you must know the notation. In this video, we'll cover the notations that are relevant for a 3x3x3 puzzle cube. There are two directions where you can turn the sides of a puzzle cube. They are clockwise and anti-clockwise. A clockwise move is written with a letter in uppercase, and there are 6 of them. With the puzzle cube facing you, we'll go through all of them. First is L for the left side. You will turn clockwise this way. Next, R is for the right side, and you will turn clockwise this way. U is for the upside, and you will turn clockwise this way. D is for the downside, and you will turn clockwise this way. F is for the front side, and you turn clockwise this way. Last but not least, B is for the back, and you will turn clockwise this way. An anti-clockwise move is written with an apostrophe after the letter, which is also called prime. So for example, for R prime, you will turn the right side anti-clockwise like so. If you see a number 2 written after a letter, that means you will turn the side twice. So for example, for U2, you will turn the upside clockwise twice, like so. That's it for the basic move. The notation for the slice moves are M, E, and S. M is the vertical middle layer, and it follows the L side, which means a M goes this way, and the M prime goes this way. E is the horizontal middle layer, and it follows the D side. So an E goes this way, and an E prime goes this way. And S is the middle layer in between the front and the back layer, and it follows the direction of the F side. So S goes this way, and the S prime goes this way. That's it for the slice move. Next, we have the wide moves, where we will turn 2 layers at once, and they can be written in 2 ways. That is either in lowercase or ending with a letter W. So for example, when you see a lowercase r or RW, you will turn 2 layers at once for the right side, like so. Finally, we have the cube rotations, which involve rotating the entire cube. These notations are written in lower cases. First, we have X, which follows the R directions. Next is Y, which follows the U directions. And lastly, we have Z, which follows the F direction. That's it for cube rotations. This is a short basic puzzle cube video. and I hope it is helpful for those of you who are learning to read the cube algorithms. We have many other tutorial videos on solving puzzle cubes in our playlist. If you like our videos, please support us by subscribing to our channel. Alright cubers, straight to the cube! See you all next time, bye!